प्रेस को एनजीटी ऑर्डर 1 मीटर जागो देऊ दे रोडाच्या साईडिक तिने 1 मीटर जागो 1 फूट तिथून ना हे झाडा चौक जाऊन मरता झाडा पाहिजे डांबर ना सगळं कोणाने डांबर घाला थोडा ब्रिडिंग ना त्याला झाडा मचली पडून आता रिक्वेस्ट आहात की झाडाच्या साईडीक माती तो आम्ही फोरेन दिला आणि आम्ही आता आय ईमेल बाय ईमेल आय सेंड बेटर ईमेल झाला आम्ही आता याच्या पुढे आल्या ते फोरेन सगळे सिग्नेचर घेऊन आता आम्ही सिग्नेचर घेवपाक लागले सिग्नेचर देऊन त्यांना दिसले आम्ही फॉरेस्टाक एसीपी आणि कलेक्टर आता फॉरेस्टाक हांवें फोन मारलो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट सांगता आम्ही माफ करता झाडां कापूक आता आम्ही खबर येयला की डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान ऑर्डर पास केले म्हणून 172 trees माफ बीन पेंजींग फॉर ट्रिमिंग एंड कटिंग वेचे ट्रिमिंग म्हणजे कितें झाड मारून काबार करपाचें एक खानो दोन ना यू सी अदर सिटी different cities असतात ट्रिमिंग एंड कटिंग so we don't know whether they will trim all or they'll cut all so they have marked it. This is what find out, get an expert, a doctor, somebody who has knowledge, experience, how to trim or how to save a tree. First attempt is how to save a tree. They directly come up. What is it? And when I asked the district worker, they say, "Homer na, they order dila, wo can order dila, what are kapa man?" So this is not proper, no? Get an expert person, find out whether it is safe or not. Then you get the set. Number two, we have to ask this. The residents of Panjim have not been consulted at all. Anybody consulted here? Never. None of the Panjim players. They do it at night. This is clandestine cutting of trees. So we are strongly protesting against this illegal cutting of trees. We have to not only protect trees, we have to plant more trees. This is the gap. This is all put by Portuguese government. 86 years old. It was in 1940. So imagine what is it is also 90 years old tree. These actions are very heartless. They have no heart, no conscience, nothing. We had a survey down, thanks to our disaster. So there is a survey on this entire 18th June road. And we have documented the trees. There are 60 trees on this road. The number of trees can be almost doubled because there are a lot of gaps. Where there are no trees, what trees are fallen or trees are cut. We have to grow fresh trees. So that is our request. Now we will wait for some time for the government. We have demanded a freeze on cutting and trimming of trees. Complete freeze unless there is a danger of life or property. And that danger has to be decided not by the butcher, by the expert in the field of trees.
And this should be done immediately that 1 meter boundary has to be for trees.
All trees. Well, the reason why trees are falling and people are dying is because they have violated the NGT order. Chief Secretary has given a circular to all the departments to maintain 1 meter. Nobody is maintaining. But when you do these things, you joke and kill a tree. Now this tree was the healthiest tree. What is the problem? I don't understand. It was a blind man because every tree goes for sunlight, for photosynthesis. It's a natural tree. Every tree, just like when it's going to fall. If standing, it can also fall. So that much of common sense they don't have. But we know that they don't have any experts, tree experts. They should train experts and deploy people who are passionate about trees, not butchers. We don't want roadside laborers who go and cut a tree. We want people who will apply their mind, understand what is the value of tree. They don't understand value. This is not only providing oxygen and shade, it cools down the city. Trees cool down the city. Besides, Panjim is having the highest air pollution. PM 2.5 is the highest compared to any other part of Goa. So, trees to the purified purification of the air pollution. So, considering all this, we have to plant more trees here. Now I request Professor Bajaj Secretary to DCP has been cutting the trees. But what we have learned is that Deputy Collector issued orders. We are not sure. We are trying to find out. I asked the Forest Department, they have not given us.
who cut it?
See what is happening now? Somebody, hotel or somebody will contact the fire brigade or collector, and overnight they cut.
Sometimes the locals
Yeah, because they cut in a night. One of the architects put in the collector's office. They said one foreigner applied for a tree cutting. How can foreigner be allowed to cut a tree? Tell me. Foreigner, somebody holding his passport is completing, should be cut on this road. And the collector say, I did not know it was foreigner. Then he job to find out.
आयज आमी पणजेचे सिटीजन्स हांगा एक जाल्या हे जे ट्री कटिंग चालू आसा पणजेन सध्या ट्री कटिंग चालू आसा पणजे द ब्युटी ऑफ पणजे इज बिकॉज ऑफ अ ट्री द ट्री कवर विच इज देअर इन पेंजीम दॅट इज द ब्युटी ऑफ पेंजीम द नॅचरल ब्युटी ऑफ पेंजीम आणि इतली गरमी आशिल्ली मे म्हयन्यान आणि आता झाडां कापपाचे वेळ चालू आसा सगळे कडेन झाडां कापता ह्या रस्त्याचेर 4-5 झाडां कापल्या आणि आम्ही अशें म्हणना की वेन इट इज नेसेसरी थंय एक झाड आशिल्लें फार्मासी कॉलेजी फाटल्यान ते अशें जाल्लें आणि ते दॅट वूड हॅव कॉज्ड डेंजर टू द लायफ दॅट ट्री वॉज गॉट विच इज ओके बट द ट्रीज विच आर ऑन नॉट ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग एनी ट्रॅफिक विच आर नॉट कॉजिंग एनी थ्रेट टू एनी लायफ and Arvind Baba सांगला ते म्हणून threat to life who will just be decided properly. So everywhere the trees are being cut and the beauty of Panjim is being destroyed. I appeal to the mayor, please look into this matter, that who is cutting this tree. We don't know whether it is CCP, whether it is forest department or the locals are asking for cutting of trees, deputy collector, who is cutting the tree. Everywhere we find the trees are being chopped mercilessly. And the beauty of Panjim, which is our city, we have grown up here, we have lived in this city all our life and it is being destroyed. It pains us to see the destruction of our natural environmental heritage. Everywhere the trees are being cut. On this road also there was a tree cut next opposite to Gujarat Lodge. Now this tree is cut. So everywhere you find the tree. कलाकर्मीकडे एक झाड मारलंय. सगळी जी झाडं आसा पणजेची ब्युटी ती झाडां पणजेक आमच्या ब्युटी दिता ती झाडां मारून उडयता द ब्युटिफूल कॅनपी दॅट यू सी इन कांपाल नो अदर सिटी perhaps in the world has such beautiful canopies, the flowers drop and the road also looks beautiful because of the trees. And that Kampal Avenue, it looks beautiful because of the trees. But mercilessly the trees are being cut. I appeal to the concerned authorities, to the forest department, to the mayor, we are appealing to the corporators, please see that this tree cutting stopped. Because the beauty of Panjim will be totally destroyed. I think in another 5 years there will be no trees left in Panjim. So we as citizens of Panjim are appealing that this merciless tree cutting has to be stopped immediately. Give the mic. Bring the mic. I just hold it. We can
टीचर गेले होता प्रॉपर ट्री आणि आम्ही जेव्हा संडे हांगा सर्वे केली तेन्ना वी फाउंड मोर दॅन 40 प्रॉपर ट्रीज हियर. So these are the avenue trees. They give beautiful yellow flowers. So ताजे अशे yellow carpet form जाता. It gives lot of shade. These are canopy trees like rain tree. They give lot of shade, trees, and lot of cooling effect. As we know now, in the midst of climate change, we are suffering because of something called as heat island. So to contact that heat island, this is the most effective that we have been around, and it is the most nature gives us all these services free of cost. We don't have to invest. We just have to take care of this tree. Sir mentioned that there is no 1 meter distance gap for the root system to develop. For them to take nutrients from the soil, we try to have a proper root system to them proper mud around. So if you go on concretizing it like this, which will directly hamper the tree life and it will fall one by the other. Also, when the tree is becoming dangerous, you have to take in the experts who are known as tree doctors, who can know the lifestyle, how the tree is, what is the disease it is at, and you can rectify it. I believe from 5 years ago, the tree outside just had fallen down, but because of the advocacy of initiative and everything, it was revived and now the tree is doing very well. So there are examples of trees reviving, even they are dying or even they have a disease. It can be solved. We just need a good awareness among the authorities to listen our green cover. And also one more thing about 18 June road is that in this road, interestingly doesn't come under smart city project. So this road compared to other city roads, there is no tree plantation happen on this road. So if you look around, there are new trees planted on the either side, like SD Road has, MG Road has. But 18 June road, there are no new trees planted. So why there are no trees planted? Whatever are being chopped down. So what is this? We don't understand this logic. If a common man wants to cut down a tree, they are told to plant 2 more new trees. But when authorities cut down, nobody is asking them why they are not planting new trees. So we are asking as the citizens of Penjim city, what action are you taking to make the city clean and clean? Everybody is telling, all the government is telling us to make it clean and clean. But in reality, it is not the case. Is that one there?
Yeah, by the resident of perspective, I think one of here is a tree. I'm Dr. Louis Dyer. I'm a heritage enthusiast and a lover of in our home city. We have grown up here. These trees are like our army. These are our friends. We have walked along these trees. We have seen them grow. They have given us shade. They have given us shelter. They have cleaned the air for us. And we feel really cheated when we wake up one morning and we find this suddenly gone. And then when we ask questions, look, everyone says, no, it was not me. So everyone passes the buck and says somebody else asked for this. This is not fair. This is not the way we want our city to be run. We want some accountability and we want, as they were saying, there should be tree searchers giving a proper report why a tree is deemed to be cut, and there should be prior notice. There should be a sign. Keep it all they are doing that. They cannot just number the trees and say this tree is rated for chopping without taking us into consideration. We should be taken into consideration, and citizens should be involved in the uptake of in the care of upkeep of the city. This is not happening, and it hurts us very much. And we are worried that more trees will go, and we cannot allow this to happen. Really, we cannot allow it. It has to stop. Thank you very much.
Anybody who walks in Tanjung in this last summer knows the value of a tree, because the heat has been so terrible in this last summer. We all know that the heat is growing everywhere in the world, and some are under a tree and the weather changes. You're suddenly in a very pleasant spot. Our problem, I think, is that our ministers, our government stuff, the members of our government have now become used to traveling in air conditioning. They don't know the value of a tree. They don't appreciate the value of the tree. For them, as long as they are air conditioning, all the trees can go. That's the tragedy. So we need to have, we need to have people in power who will not have air conditioning, so they actually experience how the environment is changing and what the meaning, what the value, what the valuable value of a tree is.
The government is now planning to demolish the for construction. So what will happen to these trees around? It's a huge equal trees behind this campus. So what will happen to these questions we are asking citizens?
When they go through trees, they will cut.
Huge people see behind it. So very important road.
See, all over the world, they incorporate trees. See, when you are having a new development, talk like Apache Tasina, you've got to take the tree as part of the environment and build around it. It's possible to do. Yeah, as an architect.
No, in Tanjung, we have such trees which are monuments in themselves, like the Tandines, the canyon at Tandines near the fire brigade, that deserves its own garden. Such a beautiful tree with such a monumental tree. But it is being It's just being hemmed in by granite, by buildings. Now the road is at any moment it can fall. It's struggling to survive in all the granite that is all around it. We should be not celebrating such trees. We are environment heritage. But instead they're destroying.
Around the tree, not by cutting the trees. Nowhere in the world you do this development where you cut the trees. So you can design a building around the tree. What is the problem? Get designers who have common sense. It's not a great thing. Yeah.
मी एक डिमांड केला की ह्याच्यासाठी थोडे स्पेस असतील ना स्मार्ट सिटीन जेन्ना काम केलं पाहिजे आणि सगळ्याकडे वरचीच आसा कितें इनिशिएटिव्ह
पण आम्ही एकदा बोलून दिला. I given in writing. Yeah. That you have to make the decision. That's the entity, not my decision. It is an entity order to all the state governments in India, not only Goa. That they have to do 1 meter radius around the trees. In Miramar they have done. They put a metal circle. You see in Miramar? They put a metal circle.
स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम झाले नाही अजून कशी राहून आता किती इनिशिएटिव्ह तुम्ही घेतला की ते परत सेशन
आम्ही आता फोरन दिला त्यांना. And they are going to request again because finally I think we are forced to knock the doors of the court all the time. Because we are knocking the doors of the court, we don't get justice. So now I've written to them that if they don't stop, they don't put a freeze against trimming and cutting, then we will immediately remit the illegal action.
ज्यांना बोलून दिलं
I put it. I've said it.
स्मार्ट सिटीचे जेव्हा काम असले बघ त्यांनाच मी किती
आम्ही दिला त्यांना. I दिला.
स्मार्ट सिटीचे
Yeah. I given. It was almost 7 years back. आता नाही. 7 वर्ष झाली. अजून काय रिप्लाय ना. I have also written to the principal chief conservator of forest, who is responsible to ensure that the tree can breathe properly. 1 meter diameter space has to be kept. Short concrete, not tar, not tile.
चांगले तरी त्यांच्या कशात केलं
So they are not bothered. Now Chief Secretary has passed that order. JD has told the Chief Secretary to implement that order. So what the Chief Secretary does? Yes, it is circular. Only circular. No action. No implementation. What is the use of the circular? None of the government is the government is not following the law. The forest department not following the law. The municipalities, the panchayat, nobody is following the law.
we had moved the court in the case of Sandinesh. Sandinesh, Bhagat and myself, we had moved the court, but ended by that. That's what. We had moved the court in the case of Sandinesh banyan tree, and the court gave an injunction, and so they will not cut the trees. But the tree cutting has increased.
इसलिए नुळे in the case of Nuwe highway, 4 miles झाडं कापून केलं. Then people have to go again to the High Court to ensure that the trees are safe. Okay, if there's a dangerous tree, now for example this tree, 3 meters of जवळलेलं 3 meters. So we again practically come. In here, as well, we have kept they cut 3 meters and the tree has done again. This is a death. This is a death sentence for a tree. This is not going to come up. And when you expose the tree, when you're cutting branches, you have to cover the plant. So then water doesn't percolate in the root.
They have close to trees at the end of it. But they are also nature.
That tree.
Yes, focus on that.
It's already marked for cutting. You can see the yellow cut number.
Very old tree.
Yeah, the number 68.
या तर झाडा कट केलं ते रात्री कट केलं
घराचे मला सगळं म्हणजे 5 लाख होता होय राज्य का प्रक्रिया करणार लोक हे करणार so because if you are doing legally then why not doing it in the daytime आम्ही मागची आहे अरे ते झाला स्पेसिफिक 500 वर्ष आम्ही जात आहोत तुमचं एक्सपर्ट कोण आहात झाडाचो एक्सपर्ट तुमचे कोण आहात जो डिसाइड करता की झाड कापूंक जाय म्हण काय झाड खाकले कापायचे काय ट्रीम करपाचे कोण एक्सपर्ट आहा कोणच ना दे डोंट हॅव ए एक्सपर्ट तो तुझा बुचर that you to cut a tree you got it no so there are no experts so there is no application of mind common sense this is a healthy tree पण ही झाडं पाहिजे if we go there
पहिले ग्रुप पिक्चर घेऊया पहिले we take one part of that tree.
We are not against development, right? But it should be done in a manner that affects all of us, right? There was a gentleman called Louis Baker. He's called the Gandhi of architecture. Why we are not following his principles? Why we are not
saying that it should be a sustainable development. Everywhere there is mess. So it should be integrated with the development with the ecology also.
The number mark yellow. So we don't know whether for but this is for trimming or cutting. We don't know. Number 60. But just
CCP मार्क केला
हा
मार्किंग कोणी केलं काय म्हणतात
आमका हवं होता फॉरेस्ट म्हणतात त्यांनी मार्क करू ना फॉरेस्ट सांगला आमका की डेप्युटी कलेक्टर मार्क केला
Starting from that side, it became 56 we have started, and then there were two others.
Total 170 trees were marked.
Yeah.
So it's a serious concern.
170.
If you lose 170 trees, then Panji will look like a desert.
Kampal Road mark kala bhai.
Hoy,
Oh, Kampan.
170 trees marked.
Most beautiful avenues.
170 trees are marked. That is the biggest destruction of trees in Panjim, history of Panjim. So it is high time the government stops this cutting, puts the freeze on cutting and trimming. That's our request. In 7 days they don't do, then we have to initiate action. We will wait for 7 days and we will see the response of the government. Otherwise, because this is a very serious matter. Because if you don't go to court, then they will go ahead and just cut all the trees. But once you cut it, you can't get it back to life.
Deputy collector तुम्ही मेडल
Oh, I already take एक copy collector दिला.
पर्सनल
Already email collector email केला आम्ही. आणि कोर्ट ऑर्डर राहते बराच. नाही म्हणून ऑर्डर हा कोर्टाची.
जून रस्त्यात किती झाडं मागतील म्हणून
हा
18 जून रस्त्यात किती झाडं मागतील तो
आम्ही आम्ही का
66 सांगणार
आम्ही फिदा मार्क
So here in total are 62 trees.
और 82 no the 62 trees we have counted
Yeah, Papa for.
those for
but
earmarked for cutting.
we don't know
आम्ही काय
No, we don't know how they are.
Yeah.
62 are there.
total we have done a survey
Yeah.
total trees. So we want to do the similar exercise on the other roads also.
Kampal Road we are going to forget
We will go there. So we will do that. So we will have to act fast.